In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know your PayPal limit in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a frequent user of PayPal for personal transactions or business purposes, knowing your account limits is crucial to avoid any unexpected interruptions or surprises. Understanding these limits helps you plan your transactions better and ensures a smooth flow. First things first, let's head over to the PayPal website. Open up your web browser and type in the URL www.paypal.com. Once the page loads, navigate your eyes to the top right corner of the homepage where you'll see the Login button. Click on that. Now, you'll be directed to the login page where you need to enter your email address and password associated with your PayPal account. This step is straightforward, but ensure your credentials are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've filled that in, click on the Login button to access your account. After successfully logging into your account, you will find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, you want to go to your profile. So, look towards the upper right section of the screen and click on the profile icon. This icon often represents your personal account settings and information. From the profile section, we need to dive a bit deeper. Look for an option that says Account Settings and select it. This opens up various tabs related to your account preferences and configurations. Pay attention to the sidebar on the left once you're in the Account Settings area. You will see various options such as security, notifications, and more. What we're looking for is the Account Access section, so go ahead and click on that. Within the Account Access area, look for the Limits section. This is where PayPal displays the boundaries set on your account regarding transactions, payments, and withdrawals. Click on the Limits option. Finally, to get a detailed view of all the limitations imposed on your current account, you want to select the View button. By doing this, PayPal will display a comprehensive breakdown of all applicable limits, including withdrawal, spending, and receiving limitations. And that's it. By following these steps, you have quickly accessed and viewed your PayPal limits. This overview can be extremely useful to ensure you operate within your boundaries and plan any account upgrades if needed. Remember, maintaining awareness of these limits can significantly enhance your financial management when using PayPal. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick guides.